This is the unboxing of a new phone I got just the other day. It's called AF8. Really nice phone. At least I saw with the demo. So let's get down to it. Okay, first as you can see, these are the specs. It has an octacore processor, a MediaTek, running at 1.7 gigs. It has a 5.5-inch screen, which is HD, 13-megapixel camera, 1 GB of memory, and then internally it has 8 GB with the option of expandable memory. Then it has a 3100 milliampere hour, and it's also dual SIM. So really nice phone. I got it in Kenya for about 20,000 Kenya shillings, and honestly, the way I saw it, it's a lot of value for money. Okay, let's get down to it. This is the box. It feels really nice and solid, as in from the packaging, so you can tell that this is going to be a good phone. I got the gold version. They come in 3 colors. Black, white, which is accented with silver, and then there's this white which is accented with gold. There we go. Moment of truth. And here we have the phone. A very beautiful phone. Yeah. Keep it on the side. And they come with a smart cover. Really cool smart cover. Keep it aside. And there's a charger, which is a 1 ampere charger. Keep it aside. Then you have, of course, the cable, micro USB cable, and pretty decent earphones, by the way, especially given the price. Now for international sellers, and the battery, and I think that's it. Oh no, yes, there's something else in here. It comes with an extra screen protector, so as in you're sorted in, as in out of a box. Okay, so let's get this inside. It's actually a really nice phone. As in, if you look at the sides, this is metal, very good quality build. As you can see, very beautiful. Looks pretty cool. Let's get rid of the paper. There we go. See that? So 13-megapixel camera, dual tone flash. These are the volume buttons on the left side. Volume rocker, feels very nice and clicky. Yeah. On this other side is the power button, and if we open, it actually has a removable back, so that's an extra advantage, and a memory card slot, right? So there's no more dealing with pins and I don't know what. So let's put in the battery. It's 3100 milliampere hours, and let's power this baby up. It has a nice tactile click. Can you feel? Yeah, once it's set up like that, there's no wishy-washiness to